Today, a global tale. The Eagle Cannot Fly. A global zipper conspiracy? Featuring 3 great leaders, a mysterious note, and yes, an unzipped trouser. You heard that right. Tehran, 1943. A decisive turning point in World War II. At the same table Churchill, Stalin, and Roosevelt. The atmosphere is tense. The discussion's highly confidential. Intelligence agencies on high alert. Suddenly Churchill passes an oath under the table. To Roosevelt. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I am Muhammad Salim Koyawadia, and you are watching Labi Lubabi, where we seek truth through the fog of conspiracies. Roosevelt opens the note. It reads, "The old eagle cannot fly from the nest." Stalin grows suspicious. He tries to decode the message. KGB on edge. CIA confused. Mi-6 utterly puzzled. Roosevelt leans toward Churchill and whispers, "What does this mean?" Churchill smiles and replies, "My zipper is open, and I can't stand up." The room erupts in laughter. For a moment, the global tension dissolves into sheer humor. And dear viewers, this is what happens when a glimpse of humanity breaks through the world of conspiracies. So, remember, sometimes what we label a global conspiracy is merely a human flaw, a zipper, or an awkward moment. This was an unverified but insightful tale. Truth or fiction, that's another matter. But the message? Very real. Overthinking is also a conspiracy against peace of mind. If you enjoyed this episode of Labi Lubabi, then don't forget to subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments. And until the next video, I'm Muhammad Salim Koyawadia, signing off from Labi Lubabi, where we go beyond headlines to uncover depth behind every story. Allah Hafiz.